What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be starting something new on my channel and we're going to be doing top 3 Thursdays every other week for the foreseeable future. So basically on Thursdays, I'm going to put a video out just like this, going over my top 3 of a certain topic. So today we will be going over my top 3 cashback credit cards. So I really like this list of credit cards because they are so simple. You're getting straight cash back, so you don't have to deal with any point systems, any point redemptions. It's straight cash back right in your pocket. All right, before we get into the top 3, I just wanted to mention that in the middle of this video, I will be announcing the winner of my Amazon gift card giveaway that I started a couple weeks back. And as always, to support the channel, be sure to go give this video a like and subscribe if you aren't already, along with hitting the alert bell, so you could also be considered in future giveaways. And remember, liking and subscribing is free and it does help me out a lot. Okay, let's get straight into it. So I picked these 3 cashback credit cards because they're all simple and they all cater to the everyday spender. So it's not like you have to be going and spending thousands of dollars on travel or anything like that. These cards will benefit you for your everyday purchases. So coming in at number 3 is the Chase Freedom card. Now let's start with the sign-up bonus. The sign-up bonus for this card is $200 when you spend $500 in the first 3 months of having the card. So the Chase Freedom is a 5% cash back rotating category card. So what that means is basically there are categories every quarter, every 3 months, and in those specific spending categories, you'll get 5% cash back for that quarter. So I'm actually gonna put the chart for 2019's categories up, and you can see that one of the quarters is, say, groceries. So for all grocery purchases in those 3 months, you'll be getting 5% cash back, which is a crazy deal. So that basically means, say you go to the grocery store, spend $100, you'll get $5 back for free. And that would be the same with any other category that is a 5% cash back category for the Chase Freedom. Now they do limit your 5% cash back to up to $1,500 per quarter. So say for your quarter with grocery stores, you spend $1,500 in 2 months. After that, you won't be getting 5% cash back, you'll be going down and getting 1% cash back. Now for a lot of people, this really isn't a problem. You won't be spending more than $1,500 on a specific category in a quarter, but it is something to think about. Now I put this card at number 3 because it is not as flexible as the other 2 cards I chose, but the cash back is so good at 5% that I could not leave it off this list. The Chase Freedom is a great secondary card to have in your wallet for when you do go make purchases that fall within these 5% cashback categories. If you want to learn about all the details of the Chase Freedom, I'm going to link the video down in the description. I actually did a full review of the Chase Freedom on my channel, so check that video out after this one. Okay, coming in at number 2, we have the Capital One Savor One Rewards card. Now this card's sign-up bonus is $150 for spending $500 in the first 3 months, and there is a $0 annual fee, just like the Chase Freedom. Now I love this card's cashback categories. You're gonna get 3% cashback on restaurants and entertainment, 2% cashback at grocery stores, and then 1% cashback for all other purchases. Now this card's pretty self-explanatory. It is mainly a food card in my opinion. So if you're dining out, going to grocery stores, this card is the card for you. And everyone is spending money on food, so I believe this card is a must in your wallet. The 3% on dining and 2% cash back on groceries is great for a no annual fee card. Now the Capital One Savor One Rewards card almost took my number 1 spot, but it wasn't as flexible in other categories as my number 1 card is. Okay, so before we get into the number 1 cashback credit card, in my opinion, I'm gonna reveal the winner of the Amazon gift card giveaway. The winner of the Amazon gift card is BK13th. So thank you for commenting on my videos and letting me know what your favorite video was. I'll get in contact with you to send you that Amazon gift card. Okay, so on to my number 1 cashback rewards card. And this card is the Citi Double Cash card. I've already talked about this in one of my other videos. I'll link it down to the description below. But basically, this card is a 2% cashback credit card for all of your purchases. So you don't need to worry about any categories, any spending limits, anything like that. You'll get 2% cash back on every single purchase you make. Now there is a catch. You'll get 1% cash back when you buy an item and then 1% cash back when you pay off that item. But in my opinion, you shouldn't be holding a balance on any of your credit cards, so you should be paying in full every single month, so you'll get that full 2% cash back every month. I put this card at number 1 because of its flexibility. 2% cash back on every single category, unlimited, is crazy good. You don't have to think about your card. You don't have to think about using specific cards for specific categories. You just get straight 2% cash back, and that's it. I recommend this card for someone that wants to keep it simple and just have one card in their wallet. I think it's a great card, 2% cash back. That's why it takes my number 1. And if you want to watch my full review of this card, go down in the description below. It'll be there. All right, so out of my top 3 cashback credit cards, I want you guys to go comment down below which one's your favorite and which one you think you might be getting in the future. Okay, and just to wrap up, I wanted to let you guys know that I do take your comments and likes on videos into consideration when making new videos and new topics for the future. It helps me know what you guys want to watch and what you guys like. So definitely go give it a like, give it a comment if you enjoyed it, and let me know if you want more of this content in the future. And as always, go down there, hit the subscribe button, hit the little alert bell. It really does mean a lot to the channel and it helps me out. All right, I'm gonna put links to the Chase Freedom and Citi Double Cash right on the screen. So if you wanna go watch those full reviews, definitely go do that. All right, have a great one, everybody.